Question 19. 3 rectangular shaped holes have been drilled passing all the way through a solid, a 3 by 4 by 5 cuboid. The diagrams show the front side and top views of the resulting block. What fraction of the original cuboid remains? So these are 3 views, one from the top, one from the side, and one from the other side. This is the actual shape. It took me, I love these sorts of questions, but it took me a long time to work out what this actually looked like. This is looking from the top here. This one here is looking from this side just here. This one here, and then this way here is looking from this side here. And as you can see, what you've got is a top, a bottom that's the same. So we've got a top, we've got a bottom, and then the middle layer only has 4 pieces on it. So when you look at it like this, it makes an awful lot of sense as to what you're actually calculating. But as I said, it took me, I love these 3D geometry questions. I think they're brilliant. I could not get my head around what this was showing me. The idea that there were only 4 blocks on this layer really made my brain stretch. I had to make it. I really had to make it, which in the competition would have really frustrated me because I love getting my head around these geometry questions. So knowing now what we know, the total volume of the original, so (3 by 4 by 5). There are only 4 blocks in the central layer. The top and the bottom have 5, that makes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the top and bottom have 14. 14 multiplied by 2 is 28. So 28 is the top, the bottom, and then we need to add the 4 for the middle. And as I say, it's that bit that really I couldn't get my head around. And then we're looking at a fraction. So that's not the full answer. We're looking at the number of blocks, what fraction of the original cuboid remains. So this is what remains. And the original cuboid is the 60. And then we need to simplify that. And that simplifies, if you want to do it in 2 steps, 16, 30, 8, 15, and that's the answer D.